I am Mohsin Riaz, Subject Specialist, Pakistan Studies at Regional Public School and Inter College, Sahiwal. I welcome you on online classes at DPS and Inter College, Sahiwal. Let's have a look on today's lesson.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is tide and its types are spring and neap. The objective of the today's lesson are, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand tide, describe spring and neap tides. Here we have to discuss two things: what is tide and what is the basic cause of tide. So first we will discuss tide. The continuous rise and fall in the sea level. This phenomena happens twice a day. The level rises and level falls. This is called tide. So now we will discuss the basic cause of tide. The basic cause of tide is the gravitation of moon. This concept was presented by Newton. In 17th century, Newton presented a theory of gravitation. Dear students, this theory is the nitty-gritty of this topic. According to this theory, every two celestial bodies attract each other. As a result of this, tides are creating because of gravitational pull of celestial bodies. So here we will not discuss theory of gravitation. You are already read this in science subject. So now we will compare or discuss the effect of distance of sun, moon and earth. When we compare distance of sun, moon and earth, we come to know that sun is 390 times more distant from earth as compared to moon. So the effect of sun's gravitation is 46% of the moon's gravity on the earth. Let's take a brief view of the diagram. Dear students, if moon's gravity towards earth is 100%, we are supposing that, then sun's gravity towards earth is 46%. So it means when moon alone pull the earth, the force is 100%, and when sun alone pull the earth, the force is 46%. In the same way, when sun and moon jointly pull the earth, the force would become 146%. So this force results high tides, and other one which is 46% create low tides. Dear students, daily tides occur twice with the interval of 12 hours and 25 minutes. So the effect of gravitation is maximum on the portion of earth which is in front of moon and is minimum on the other side as you look in the diagram. But here the question arises, how these forces maintain balance and how the difference of force is managed. Who will tell me? Yes, very right. Centrifugal force of earth maintain balance of tides on both sides of the earth. So the effect of gravitation is equal on both sides of earth. Dear students, here look in the diagram. So this dual effect cancel the pull of both the celestial bodies, and as a result of this, low tides are generated. Dear students, monthly tides are of two types. Number one is spring tide and other one is neap tide. So first we will discuss spring tides. Students, as you already know that earth revolves around the sun and moon revolves around the earth. So during this revolution, when sun, earth and moon lie in the same plane and combined gravitation of sun and moon creates very high tides in the sea. These tides are called spring tides. During this revolution, this phenomena happens twice in 1st and 14th of the lunar month, that sun, moon and earth lies in the same plane. Now we will discuss neap tides. This is the other type of tides. Students, during the revolution process, when sun and moon are perpendicular to each other with reference to earth, gravitation of both bodies, sun and moon, counteract each other. So this results the creation of low tides in the sea, which are called neap tide. This phenomena also happens twice in lunar month on the 7th and 21st date. Now here we have to recapitulate the topic. इससे पहले हमने इस टॉपिक में टाइड्स और उसकी इकसाम के बारे में रीड किया। सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं टाइड क्या थी। समंदर की सतह का ऊपर और नीचे होना, इसको हम टाइड कहते हैं, और ये तब्दीली जो है कंटिन्यूस होती है, मुस्तकिल बुनियादों पर होती है। हमने इसकी 2 टाइप्स देखी, एक है स्प्रिंग टाइड, दूसरी है नीप टाइड। जैसा कि आपको पता है कि सूरज के गिर्द ज़मीन घूमती है और ज़मीन के गिर्द चांद घूमता है। इसी रेवोल्यूशन के दौरान जब चांद और सूरज ज़मीन के रेफरेंस में एक दूसरे के परपेंडिकुलर हो जाते हैं तो लो टाइड जनरेट होती हैं, जिसको हम नीप टाइड्स बोलते हैं। इसी तरह से जब चांद हरकत करता हुआ बिल्कुल एक सेम प्लेन पर आ जाते हैं, जैसे चांद, ज़मीन और सूरज, ये तीनों जब एक प्लेन पर आ जाते हैं तो इसके नतीजे पर जनरेट होने वाली वेव्स हाई टाइड्स होती हैं और इसको हम स्प्रिंग टाइड बोलते हैं। अभी आप दोबारा देखें मून रेवोल्यूशन। Now the time is of home assignment. Dear student, learn and write Geography chapter number 3, long question 3, page number 27 and 28. So question number 3 is write a detailed note on spring and neap tides. So after this you have to write or answer the short questions on your notebook. The first one is define tide. Second one is what is the basic cause of tide, that we already discussed in the lesson. What is the interval of daily tides? Question 4, which force maintains balance of tides on earth? Question 5, what are the dates when sun, moon and earth are in same plane? Question 6, what are the dates when sun and moon are perpendicular with reference to earth? Number 7, sun's gravitation is how much of the moon's gravity on the earth? So we already discussed all 7 questions in the lesson, and you have to read page 27 and 28 to answer the long question 3. So in case of any difficulty you may ask on WhatsApp. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the lesson.